Who's here? Sorry for turn off the music, but welcome. So if you don't know me, my name is Sun, and I started photography for like 10 years ago. But in the last 3 years, for some reason, I just lost the interest. Today, I actually feel excited to be back again, and I'm gonna take an effort to take back my hobby. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me to London, have a photo walk, take some photos, and share some thoughts as well. So let's go. So this is the camera that I'm going to use for today's photo walk, Sony A7 III, and this is one of my favorite lenses, Canon 35 f1.4. I normally shoot wide open with manual focus, challenging, really fun. So I'm going to walk around the London Underground area first because I think it is quite signature, and also I love looking at what people normally do in the underground. Sometimes it's really funny. This is one of the first photos that I took in the underground area. I love the frame of this one. Everything is just nicely framed. Gravity of the background as well. And I really love the expression of the girl who closed her eyes and calm in the underground. Sometimes the areas were really busy, but I still got some great photos in the underground. This photo, for example, it was taken when we were waiting for the underground. To take this photo, I just simply raised the camera as high as possible and tried to take the entire view. To be honest, this kind of view is just perfect for 35mm or 24mm. This is such a London thing. I really love this photo. In this photo, I appreciate the look of everyone in their frames, especially the guy in the middle. But I wonder what he's thinking. Perhaps he's trying to spot a toilet. Excuse me, can somebody tell me where the loo is? No, just kidding. So I really appreciate the contrast between his facial expression and the other around him in highlight and the shadows. And the shadows here naturally leads our attention to the main subject, which is at the center. Just nicely done. Zombie. For me, I'm a big fan of manual focus because it slows me down. It is really fun as well when you control the ring when you focus, and it makes me think before every shot. Personally, I think autofocus is too quick and too sharp as well. And in my opinion, sharpness kills emotions. I know that it's convenient a lot of time, but I always choose emotions for my photos. And I normally love a bit of blur on each photos, something like film vibe back then. I think a bit of blur is going to activate our brain to think and emotion, and that is when the emotion comes from. But it really depends on your personal taste. London was rainy this day, and I have to say that London is really beautiful in the rain. It is shiny, it is romantic, a bit of moody as well, and everything seems to be calmer, of course, because people just stay at home and sleep. But those people in the street have to walk faster. I was wet, and my camera was wet too, but to be honest, I love the feelings of walking in the rain, in the cold, taking photos of things in the street. It makes me feel alive. Also, after a long walk, we try to find a cafe, have a cup of tea, and enjoy the photos that we took. So it was a great feeling. A problem with the big camera is that, it scares people. So a lot of times that you don't actually want to confront people. So in this case, there's two strategies. The first one is pretty much really common, which is reflection. And using the manual focus makes reflection super easy. The second strategy is just hide and shoot through somebody's back. So this is really effective at the waiting light, at the areas where people are waiting for something. So they just stand still and you just need to set up and shoot through their back.